like it's supposed to. Trulicity's not insulin. It works 24/7. It comes in an easy-to-use pen, and I may even lose a little weight.
Trulicity is an injection to improve blood sugar in adults with type 2 diabetes when used with diet and exercise. Don't use it as the first medicine to treat diabetes or if you have type 1 diabetes or diabetic ketoacidosis. Don't take Trulicity if you or your family have medullary thyroid cancer, you're allergic to Trulicity, or have multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2. Stop Trulicity and call your doctor right away if you have symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, a lump or swelling in your neck, or severe stomach pain. Serious side effects may include pancreatitis. Taking Trulicity with a sulfonylurea or insulin increases your low blood sugar risk. Common side effects include nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and decreased appetite. These can lead to dehydration, which may worsen kidney problems.
To help lower my A1C, I choose Trulicity to activate my within.
Ask your doctor about once weekly Trulicity.
What is it? Remember someone important that's coming over? Your hair never comes out big enough.
Cozy TV now offers hair in big, bigger, and biggest.
Gray streaking his hair just makes me
Watch Cozy TV and turn up the volume.
Chicago Med, Fire, and PD are uniting tomorrow on NBC. SVU begins its landmark 12th season once a night, Thursdays, with a case. Protect your son. That will leave you stunned. The SVU 2-hour premiere event this Thursday on NBC.
She don't let go.
Is she stuck?
Oh, I don't know.
No, she's just feisty. You could be stuck. No, she's not stuck. You just gave her a better grip.